A very good morning to you, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. And now you are studying also, because very soon this session will be ending and you will be having your exam. So you have to work hard for that, isn't it? So in English class, as you remember, we were doing lesson number 4. We have completed with the explanation of the chapter. And obviously today we are going to start with the exercise part. And just to give you a quick reminder of the golden rules to stop the spread of coronavirus, and those are use of face masks, maintaining hand hygiene, and maintaining social distancing. So let us now start with the exercises of lesson 4, and the name of the lesson is Po. Starting with exercise A, read section 1 and answer the following questions. First question given to us is, how old was the author when he first met Po? So it is very clearly given in section 1 that the author was only 2.5 months old when he first met Po. Second question is, what does the author mean by I made quite an impression? So this expression is spoken by the author in the chapter, and what do he mean by this? The author meant that he had left a very bad feeling on everyone. So it is quite obvious, we all know why he left a very bad feeling on everyone, because he cried a lot. जब उसकी मम्मा उसको फर्स्ट टाइम ग्रैंड मदर या नानी के घर लेकर गई थी, तो वो इतनी बुरी तरह से रोता रहा पूरा टाइम कि सबको लगा कि कितना रोने वाला बच्चा है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, डू वी नो इफ द ऑथर वाज अ बॉय और अ गर्ल, एंड हाउ डू वी नो दिस? सो इफ वी रीड सेक्शन 1 very carefully, we'll come to know that the author was a boy, because it is mentioned in the text, brand new baby boy. In section 1 it is very clearly written brand new baby boy. तो इसका मतलब यही है that the author was a boy, not a girl. Coming on to exercise B. Read section 2 and answer the following. Now the questions which we have to answer are based on section 2 of the chapter. First question is, why did the speaker say that he was beyond reasoning? So why did he say this thing? The speaker said this because he was not able to understand why something was very important. He was unable to understand that why eating or drinking that bitter medicine was so important, because he did not have any reason why he had to eat that medicine. So it was beyond his reasoning. Second question is, what was the effect of the treatment on the speaker and Po? So after they carried on the treatment for 8 months, what was the effect of that treatment? What was the effect on speaker and what was the effect on Po? The effect of treatment on the speaker was that he was completely cured. उसकी जो बीमारी थी वो बिल्कुल पूरी तरह से ठीक हो गई ट्रीटमेंट लेने के बाद. और Po पे क्या इफेक्ट हुआ? The effect on Po was that she had lost about 20 pounds of weight. ऑथर के पीछे भाग भाग के 3 बार दिन में उसको मेडिसिन पिलाने के चक्कर में Po जो है, she was completely tired and she lost 20 pounds of weight. Coming on to the third question, what were the feelings that speaker could not hide? So what kind of feeling did the speaker have which he was unable to hide? The speaker could not hide the feelings of separation from Po, because gradually he had started loving Po. Po उसको प्यार करती थी, वो Po को बहुत प्यार करने लगा था. तो जब वो सेपरेट होने लगते थे, जब वो एक दूसरे से दूर जाने लगते थे, that time the speaker, he was sad but he could not hide his feelings. Fourth question is, why was Po's voice shaky. So Po की जो voice थी वो shaky क्यों थी? Po's voice was shaky because she had tears in her eyes. जब ऑथर पो से कभी भी दूर जाता था, अपने घर वापस लौटता था, तो that time Po used to feel very sad and she had tears in her eyes. So that is why her voice was also shaky. Coming on to the next exercise and the last exercise for today, that is exercise C. So if you have a look into your books, you'll find out there's a table given which we have to complete. There are 3 columns in the table. The first one is when the author met Po, where they met, and what Po did for him. The first column is already given to us at what age did the author had met Po. Second and third column we have to fill up. The first time when they both met was 2.5 months old. So author was just 2.5 months old when he met Po. Where did they meet? They meet in Taipei, which is in Taiwan. And what did Po do for him that time? Po carried the author in her arms throughout the night and finally put him to sleep. So this was the difficult thing which Po had done for him when he was just 2.5 months old. The second is 2 years old. Now when the author was 2 years old, that time both of them again they met in Taipei, Taiwan, and that time what did Po do for him? She prepared a herbal medicine 3 times a day, which took her 4 hours, and made the author drink that. So completely for 8 months she had to prepare a herbal medicine, and we have read that to make that medicine Po used to take 4 hours to make that medicine, and after that again it was very difficult to make author drink that medicine, and that all was done by Po. पूरे 8 महीने पो उसके लिए वो हर्बल मेडिसिन बनाती थी और फिर उसको दिन में 3 बार वो मेडिसिन पिलाने का काम पो करती थी उस टाइम पे. Now what happened during this short visits? Where they used to visit? Again in Taipei and Taiwan. When mother had some work, जब ऑथर की मम्मा को कुछ काम होता था तो वो ऑथर को अपने साथ ताइपे लेके जाती थी पो के घर पे. और उस टाइम पे what Po used to do for him? She gifted food, clothes and toys to him. Right? I had given you an example also कि जब आप भी नानी के घर जाते हैं तो वहां से लौटते वक्त नानी आपको बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स देती हैं. Right? So again Po used to gift him some food items, some clothes and toys which the author enjoyed a lot. Now fourth and the last one is Po comes to visit the author. Now in the end part of the chapter we had read that Po comes to visit the author in USA. Where do they meet? They meet at San Francisco International Airport. वहां पर मिलते हैं जब ऑथर अपनी मदर एंड फादर के साथ पो को पिक करने जाता है एयरपोर्ट से. What Po did at that time? What she had done? She carried 30 pounds of his favorite pastries all the way from Taiwan. जो Po थी, because she knew author loved pastries a lot, so वो ताइवान से पूरा टाइम, we have read कि ताइवान और यूएसए की जर्नी जो थी वो 15 आवर्स की जर्नी थी. तो वो पूरी 15 आवर्स की जर्नी में 30 पाउंड्स ऑफ पेस्ट्रीज को अपने हाथ में पकड़कर ही लेकर आती हैं ऑथर के लिए. सो आई होप यू हैव कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टूड द एक्सरसाइजेस विच वी हैव डन टुडे, एंड नाउ द वर्क इज दैट यू आर सपोज्ड टू कॉपी दीज एक्सरसाइजेस इन योर notebooks. So we'll be seeing your copies in the online class so that we can come to know whether you are writing the work or not. Till then, have a nice day.